What if everything you knew about building was already outdated? Concrete that floats, walls with no mortar, foundations installed in a single day. These aren't concepts, they're real, working solutions changing construction right now. Watch everyone and tell us which blew your mind the most. Curved walls used to be a nightmare. Soaking drywall, special tools, cracking panels, hours of frustration. Cobra Flex changes everything. This revolutionary flexible plasterboard bends smoothly in either direction without breaking. Each panel measures 4 by 5 feet, weighs just 21 pounds, and achieves curves as tight as 15 degrees. It features the same gypsum core as standard drywall, delivers fire resistance, and finishes just as cleanly. What if building curves was actually easier than building straight? Cobra Flex makes that reality, bending the future of interior construction one panel at a time. Imagine stacking panels together like a puzzle and ending up with walls that outperform traditional framing in almost every way. Insulated concrete form stack foam panels, 48 inches long, 12 inches tall, in thicknesses from 2 to 4 inches. Lock them with plastic ties, then pour concrete inside. The foam stays permanently, acting as built-in insulation on both sides. No formaldehyde, fire-resistant, thermally superior. Grooves every few inches keep ties perfectly aligned. Special brackets handle corners, windows, and wider walls. Could anything make high-performance concrete walls this accessible? This system proves smart building doesn't have to be complicated. Traditional concrete construction takes weeks. The Kumkang aluminum formwork system compresses full floor cycles down to just 4 to 7 days. Panels are light enough to reposition by hand, yet each survives over 300 uses. Wall panels span 23 inches wide and stand 7.5 to 8 feet tall. Walls, beams, slabs, columns, and staircases all cast simultaneously in one step. Slab panels strip without removing supports below, accelerating the pace even further. Could a formwork system ever make concrete construction this fast without sacrificing quality? Kumkang just proved it's possible, and made it the new benchmark for modern building. Underground concrete tanks built so tough that garbage trucks can drive directly over them. Australian Tanks engineers each unit from high-strength concrete cast in a single pour. No joints, no weak points. They meet B2 exposure classification for long-term water containment. Anti-flotation bases keep tanks stable even in high groundwater areas. Pre-fitted with filtration components, pipe penetrations, drainage openings, and orifice plates at the factory. Arrive on site waterproofed and ready to install. Just place, backfill, done. What level of engineering does it take to make underground infrastructure this reliable? Australian Tanks builds it that way every time. Born from real-world construction frustration, Spider Tie rethinks how concrete walls are built entirely. Contractor Greg McDana's invention uses reusable plastic ties shaped like spiders. You simply screw plywood onto them. Choose from 6, 8, or 10-inch sizes depending on wall thickness. The plastic withstands immense pressure from wet concrete. 2 versions exist: dry for foundations and basements, wet for pools and moisture-heavy environments. Curved walls, custom pool shells, winding landscape features, all suddenly manageable. Why haul heavy framing when the same materials work again and again? Spider tie is construction intelligence at its simplest. Precise sealing edges in concrete used to be left to chance. Combifix changes that. This smart system uses metal and plastic angles, 6 to 14 inches, with adjustable clamps that lock formwork boards firmly in place during pours. Aluminum nails attach angles directly to deck forms in seconds. Clamps adjust from 0 to 13 inches, accommodating standard panels, insulation, and varying heights. Concrete pressure transfers into the angles, protecting surrounding walls. Once concrete sets, every piece lifts off and gets reused. Why leave your cleanest edges to guesswork? Combifix makes razor-sharp concrete corners a repeatable, reliable standard on every job. What if concrete formwork could be set up with just a simple twist? SPS formwork eliminates the old-school struggle of hand-cut timber, nails, and clamps. This modular system uses injection-molded plastic panels reinforced with steel, lightweight enough to carry by hand, yet incredibly precise. A dual locking pin mechanism snaps panels together instantly. Square columns, rectangular walls, custom configurations, all possible. Unlike plywood that degrades fast, SPS panels deliver consistent dimensions and surface quality across hundreds of uses. One system. Infinite configurations. This is how modern concrete construction finally gets the upgrade it deserves. Four people, one house, 2 days. That's the jaw-dropping reality of the aircrete building system. Built on autoclaved, aerated concrete, these panels combine sand, ash, cement, lime, and a trace of aluminium powder that creates millions of air bubbles, hardened under high-pressure steam. The result? Panels far lighter than standard concrete, yet strong enough for 5-story buildings. Wall, floor, roof, and cladding panels. One complete integrated system. Non-combustible. Hours of direct fire resistance. Could speed and structural strength finally exist at this level? Aircrete just made it the new normal in modern construction. Behind every massive construction project is a logistics engine most people never see. Discaf Group's Kapar warehouse in Malaysia operates as that engine. Positioned near major ports and highways, it stores tubular scaffold frames, couplers, modular panels, and fall protection gear, ready for rapid mobilization. Pre-assembly happens here, cutting deployment time at the project level. Pre-departure quality checks ensure everything performs flawlessly. Storage, logistics, assembly, and inspection, all under one roof. How does a single facility keep large-scale projects moving without delay? SCAF Group's Kapar operation proves that world-class construction infrastructure begins long before the first bolt is placed. Japan sits on the Pacific Ring of fire, earthquakes, typhoons, relentless structural demands. Emaju's simple panel system was engineered for exactly that. Each panel has an expanded polystyrene foam core between two steel mesh layers, held together with steel ties. Flexible enough to absorb seismic pressure without shattering, light enough to carry by hand. Once concrete is applied, panels form one unified load-bearing wall. Adjustable foam thickness adapts to any climate, non-toxic, fire-resistant. Could any building system be better optimized for the world's harshest environments? Emaju's panels don't just withstand extreme conditions, they were specifically designed for them. Walls that insulate, breathe, and stand strong, all without a single extra layer. Isotex achieves this using mineralized firwood fiber blocks fused with Portland cement, insect-resistant, rot-proof, built-in recycled insulation options available. Steel bars are placed every 10 inches, turning each wall into one unified structural unit. At 33 pounds per cubic foot, these H-shaped blocks pack extraordinary strength relative to their size. No added chemicals mean the air inside stays clean and healthy. Could your walls actually improve the quality of air you breathe? With Isotex, that's not a feature, it's a standard. Old, cracked concrete doesn't have to mean expensive replacement. The like-new restoration kit revives worn surfaces without tearing anything out. It includes a liquid concentrate, cement-based powder, mixing bucket, strainer, degreaser, and crack filler. Everything in one package. Mix, strain, spray from 3 feet above, and watch the transformation happen. One kit covers 400 to 600 square feet. Dries in just 30 minutes. Walk on it within 2 hours. You can even tint the finish for a personal touch. Why replace when you can restore? This kit proves concrete's second life is just as impressive as its first. Precision timber joinery without industrial machines. That's what the X-Fix C system makes possible. A compact 3.8 by 5 inch routing template guides cuts up to 3.5 inches deep, producing perfectly shaped pockets for connectors directly on site. Adjustable stops lock positioning and depth so every pocket matches exactly. Once both panels are routed, all wood X-Fix connectors are hammered in and pull the panels tightly together through their wedge shape alone. No screws required. Could a pocket-sized template genuinely replace expensive factory joinery equipment? For on-site carpenters and small workshops, X-Fix proves it absolutely can. And then some. Clean lines, open views, modern elegance that completely transforms any space. ViewRail's cable railing system upgrades existing wood posts with all tensioning hardware hidden inside, invisible from the outside. Cables are 1/8 inch thick, 1x19 stainless steel, across aluminum posts spaced 4 feet apart. Choose powder-coated black, white, or silver, or go premium with matte black onyx rods. Pre-made kits come in 4, 8, 12, and 16-foot lengths. Handrails can even include built-in LED lighting. Why settle for ordinary railings when a few sleek cables can completely redefine your home's aesthetic? ViewRail turns everyday spaces into architectural statements. Steel reinforcement has ruled masonry for generations. Wall grip just changed the equation. This fiberglass mesh offers structural support and chemical stability without a single piece of metal. Wall Grip Pro comes in 328-foot rolls, embedding into horizontal joints to control cracking and transfer forces into surrounding mortar. No corrosion, no chemical degradation. Even in acidic environments, it holds strong. S and T-shaped strips connect masonry sections, with the TT type delivering roughly 30% higher load transfer. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary concrete often comes down to one thing: precision at the edges. Rand Form delivers exactly that. This reusable formwork system creates flawlessly sharp corners for walls, balconies, and ceiling ends. Each panel is just over an inch thick, built from steel angles and layered panels in 3-meter lengths. Steel components accept crane hooks for lifting larger sections on bigger projects. They act as a precise temporary skin around fresh concrete, shaping every edge cleanly. A full residential foundation set in a single day. Superior Walls makes that reality with its She Wall system. Each precast panel combines horizontal and vertical rebar with synthetic fibers mixed into the concrete for crack resistance. Total wall thickness reaches 10 inches, including 2.5 inches of factory-bonded rigid foam insulation across every surface. Structural capacity hits an extraordinary 7,500 pounds per linear foot. A crane places panels onto prepared footings, and installation is complete. Could a foundation system ever be this precise and this fast? She Wall doesn't just answer yes, it delivers it every single time.
What if setting up concrete molds took minutes instead of hours? Meet the Eleatic Fame, a revolutionary modular magnet shuttering system redefining precast concrete production. Jaw-type magnets lock side forms in place instantly, surviving intense vibration without fail. Compatible with wood, plywood, and aluminum profiles, it adapts to virtually any casting surface. 3 specialized variants, Flex, Flex Pro, and Light, handle everything from walls and beams to window openings. Faster setup, tighter tolerances, higher output. This isn't just a smarter tool, it's the future of precast construction, built into every single mold. No road? No problem. iTrack turns any surface on the planet into heavy-duty infrastructure within minutes. Each 34-pound panel locks seamlessly into the next. No tools, no complexity, no wasted time. The result? A continuous surface absorbing 80 tons of force, performing flawlessly from frozen Arctic conditions to scorching desert heat. One worker, 1 hour. Over 1,000 feet of deployable roadway. Military convoys, emergency rescues, aviation operations, construction sites, all conquered effortlessly. Traditional road construction takes weeks. iTrack takes minutes. That gap between slow and unstoppable? This system just closed it permanently. Forget everything you know about artificial grass. Royal Grass Silk 35 has completely rewritten the rules. Patented micronerve technology eliminates plastic glare, while V-shaped blade engineering locks every 1.38-inch fiber naturally upright, season after season. Fresh green meets olive green in a midsummer illusion so convincing, neighbors will question everything. Soft enough for children, tough enough for pets, and backed by an 8-year UV warranty against fading. Rooftops, gardens, balconies, transformed effortlessly. At just $40 per square meter, what's stopping you from having the most stunning outdoor space on the block?